Hey, it's Dan. Let's do that crazy order of operations problem that's been on Facebook that a lot of people are getting wrong. So let's look at it. Here it is. 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2 in parentheses. So we should use the order of operations, and the order of operations is that you do grouping symbols first. So we're going to do the 1 plus 2 first, and that's 3. And that leaves us with this. So what a lot of people are doing is they're doing the multiplication here first and then dividing. They're getting 1 or something like that. The problem with that is that they either had a middle school math teacher that actually taught them to literally do PEMDAS, to do multiplication first, then division, or they had a rock star for a middle school math teacher, and later on even were taught well in high school, and they just didn't pay attention because their teachers weren't cool enough or something like that. But the actual order of operations is that you do grouping symbols first. Then we would do exponents, but this problem doesn't have any exponents. So you actually should do the division first. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So the actual answer to that problem is 9. Here's why. In the order of operations, it's not multiplication then division, it's multiplication or division as you encounter them from left to right. And so multiplication and division are on the same level. So you should go left to right and do the division first, then the multiplication. If this problem were to have some addition and subtraction, we would do the same thing. Addition and subtraction are on the same level, and we do those as we encounter them from left to right. So the hierarchy is not parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. That multiplication and division and addition and subtraction have to be done left to right for priority of order. So this is the actual order of operations. Anyway, I hope this clarifies a few things. Bye.